Introducing Aries 8, an 8-inch Intel-based quad-core tablet. This new Nextbook tablet comes with Android's newest operating system, Lollipop. This special edition tablet comes in 3 colors: red, blue, and black. High performance, fashion, and ultimate portability. This new Nextbook is compact with a special narrow frame design and high-definition IPS touchscreen. It's engineered for fast performance using an Intel Atom quad-core processor with speeds up to 1.8 GHz. With the Intel quad-core processor, Android's newest operating system, and 1 GB DDR3L of RAM, your new Aries 8 is the fastest 8-inch Nextbook ever available. Connect to the internet and go online wirelessly and easily with Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN and Bluetooth 4.0. Enjoy internet browsing, checking emails, watching videos, listening to music, viewing pictures, or playing video games with the 3-axis G sensor. Capture life's special moments with front and back cameras. Store additional data or files on micro SD cards, up to 64 GB per card. Looking for a high-speed, compact tablet with modern design? Look no further. The Nextbook Aries 8 has everything for you.